What does MVP mean in software development? Is it most valuable person? Nah. So let's see, what does MVP mean? MVP means minimal viable product. In this business world, this is a principle businesses are following. Let's see why. Let's see what is MVP and what is not. So you can see over here, there's two wheels, and this is not workable. This is not workable either. Next one is not workable either. But the last one is workable. So this pattern is not MVP. MVP means you can use your product in the first stage. After creating the minimal viable product, you can give it to your users, test with the users if they like it or not. So then you can add some more features with it and again test it and see if the users are liking it or not. In this example, you can see we have a bicycle over here, which we can use and go to our destination, but not that much far. And here is a fancy car, which you can use and go to your destination, city to city. But this product over here, fast product, it is workable, not like this two wheels. So this is the thing over here. So let's think about a project management system over here. So if we decided to go with 25 features in this project management system, so it can't fulfill the 25 features in the first go. First of all, it will consume lots of time to launch the product, actual product. Second thing is it will take lots of money. So what we can do, we can make 10 to 12 features that can make our app serve its main goal, publish it and test it with the users. Is the users is liking or not? Hope you got it. Follow for more.